Sawadee krab. So we'll learn about the Thai tone marks in this section. Take note that they are not the transcription tone marks that we use. Okay, they are the actual Thai script tone marks. So in Thai there are 4 tone marks. All right, these 4, and their names, right, are ไม้เอกไม้โทไม้ตรีไม้จัตวา okay, these are the meanings. So literally they mean stick 1, stick 2, stick 3, stick 4, right? ไม้ means stick, and if you were to translate it more nicely, it will be first tone mark, second tone mark, third tone mark, and fourth tone mark. Okay, or you can call it tone mark 1, tone mark 2, tone mark 3, tone mark 4. Okay, or in Chinese, I think it sounds even cooler. You can call it 第一标、第二标、第三标 and 第四标. Sorry, 第四标. There was a bit of a text in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If you look at the shape of the tone marks, you'll notice that they are similar to the numbers like 1. This looks like 1, right? This one looks a bit like 2 also. Correct? Looks like 2. This one, if you turn your head 90 degrees to the left, it looks like number 3, right? And this one is just a cross with 4 like ends, right? So it's like 4. Okay. So one way to remember is my egg, my toe, my tree, and my chatawa. Okay, that I once talked about. So remember, this is known as my egg, or the first tone mark, or tone mark 1, or T, sorry, T, E, 标. Okay, 第一标, 第二标, 第三标, 第四标. Okay, I think I will call these in Mandarin. I think it sounds cooler. All right. So where do we write the tone marks? They are written above the consonants on the right side. So for example, we have กอไก่จอจันดอเด็กตอเต่าบอใบไม้ปอปลาออ่าง right, etc. We write it. Let me see. Suppose this is กอไก่, right? Sorry, suppose this is กอไก่, right? Suppose this is บอใบไม้. Let me retry. Suppose this is บอใบไม้ and this is like a square, right? Correct. Write it over here. All right. Don't write it in the middle or on the left. All right. Try to write it to the right, above the consonant. If there's a consonant that is very long, right, just write it beside like that. Okay. Don't write it on top here. It looks weird. Okay. So this is how you write the tone marks on the upper right. You notice that I put the characters here, the low class sonorants, right, and etc. in red. That's because actually these 2 tone marks, right, ไม้ตรี and ไม้จัตวา or 第三标第四标, they are reserved for the mid class consonants only. The mid class consonants, right? They are not used for the low class consonants. They are also not used for the high class consonants. Right? If you see anyone typing this, right, just know that it is non-standard. Okay, you can technically type it, but it's non-standard. All right. So what's the purpose of adding tone marks? The purpose of adding tone marks is to force a word or syllable to adopt a particular tone. Correct? So remember the 5 tones in Thai. In Thai, we call it the mid tone, low tone, falling tone, high tone, and rising tone, right? But in Thai, it's known as the common tone, tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, tone 4. Correct? In the same order. Right? So the general idea is this. If you use 第一标, you get 第一声, correct? You use 第二标, you get 第二声. You use 第三标, you get 第三声. You use 第四标, you get 第四声. Okay? If you don't use any 标, right, that is the 普通声, the common tone, 普通声 or the mid tone, right? So when you learn Thai, right, the tones, right, make sure you remember this order: mid, low, falling, high, rising. Common 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tone is like that. Ka 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 ka. you can refer to our first lecture to see how the pitch varies. But this is the order of the tones. Like in Mandarin, we say ma 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 ma. We don't say ma ma. Sorry, you don't say ma 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 or whatever, right? We follow the order of ma 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 ma. Correct. All right. So remember the general idea is 第一标第一声，第二标第二声。You use 第三标 you get 第三声。You use 第四标 you get 第四声。Okay, but there are some exceptions or restrictions. So as I've said, right, the 第三标 and the 第四标, right, they are reserved for the high class consonants only. Okay, but the 第一标、第二标, right, you can still use it for the mid class consonants, the high class consonants, and the low class consonants. Okay. The second thing is, remember I said you use 第一标 you should get 第一声, correct? 第二标 you should get 第二声. When you use the 第一标 and 第二标 with the low class consonants, right, they do not become 第一声 and 第二声 respectively. What you need to do for the low class consonants, right, is you need to plus one. You need to plus one. So for example, if I have a low consonant and I use 第一标, correct? One, I need to plus one. So I get 第二声. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 第二声. If I use 第二标 with the low class consonant, I need to plus 1. I will get 第三声. So 第二标第三声. Okay, that's only for the low class consonant. So for the high class one and the mid class one, if you use the 第一标 you should get 第一声. 第二标 you should get 第二声. Okay? So this is a summary, right? So if we talk about the consonantal sounds, right, the different consonantal sounds, are we able to pronounce syllables with those consonantal sounds in all 5 tones? Actually, yes. So if you use a mid-class consonant, right, all these sounds, and you want, for example, a word to be a live syllable, by the way, a live syllable, to be pronounced in a common tone, we just don't add any mark. For example, if I want to write ka, right, ka, common tone, right, 普通声, I just don't write any mark, no mark. Okay, if I want tone 1, 第一声, right, ka 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 ka. If I want to write this, I just write the 第一声, the number 1, the my A on top of the consonant. This now is pronounced as ka. All right. If I want 第二声 for the mid class, for example, I want ji, right, ji, and I want 第二声. 第二声 is ji 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 ji. Correct. What I do is I add the second tone mark above. Okay, so this whole thing here, จอจาน สระอี and ไม้โท correct? This whole thing is pronounced as จี้. The same thing for this, alright? If I add 第三标 I get 第三声. I get 第四标 I get 第四声. So for example, 八 right? 八八八八八第三声, correct? What I need to do is ปอปลา สระอา correct? And then the third tone mark, like that. This thing is pronounced as 八 pa. Okay. Lastly, the tone 4. You want to get something like right? Common tone, tone 1, tone 2, tone 3, tone 4, right? I write the all instead of right? Then I add the tone mark like that. This is pronounced as okay. So for the mid-class consonants, we can use tone marks or we can do use tone marks, and then we can get all 5 tones, right? Common tone, tone 1, 2, 3, 4. For the low and high class obstruents, for these obstruent sounds, right, you'll notice that they can only use tone marks 1 and tone marks 2. They can only use 第一标 and 第二标, right? 第三标, 第四标 are reserved for the mid-class consonants. So there are like 3 scenarios. One is we don't use any tone mark. The next one is we use tone mark 1. The next one is we use tone mark 2. We only have 3 like variations, correct? So for the low class consonants, low class consonants, if I don't use any tone mark, I get the common tone. I get a common tone, right? If I use tone mark 1, I get tone 2. If I use tone mark 2, I get tone 3. So when you use low class consonants, right, there's no way you can obtain the pronunciation in tone 1 and tone 4. You cannot get like ka using a low class consonant. You cannot have sa, for example, sa using a low class consonant. What about the high class consonants? If we don't use any tone marks, right? If we don't use tone marks, we get tone 4. For example, ka, 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 all right? If we add ti piao, we get ti sheng. You add ti piao, we get ti sheng. All right, that's all. So you'll find that we cannot obtain these tones for the high class consonants, right? So if you want all these consonants, you want these consonantal sounds, right? To access all 5 lexical tones in Thai, what you need to do is to choose the class. All right. Remember, the same sound can belong to different classes. We got to choose the class when we want to obtain certain tones. So for example, if we want to obtain common tone, right, we cannot use the high class consonants. We cannot use the high class k sound. We have to use the low class k sound. All right. If you want tone 4, if you want to pronounce a p sound with tone 4, right, we need to use a high class consonant. We cannot use a low class consonant. All right. So basically, these two classes, they complement each other so that we can access all 5 lexical tones for all these obstruent sounds. Let me just highlight for you. For all these, oops. For all these, all right. Then what about the sonorants over here? The sonorants, because there's no high class counterpart, right? Then how are we going to access tone 1 and tone 4? Correct? There's actually a way to do it, right? There's actually a way to do it, which is to add a dummy consonant here, the hor heap over here. So what this does is to convert the low class sonorants into pseudo high class consonants, right? So when they are pseudo high class, they are kind of like a high class consonant. So when they are high class consonant, they follow these tone rules, right? The tone rules. All right. We will talk about this later in a later section. Okay. Let us now try to have some reading practice. So make sure you remember not just what the consonants are, right, that you're seeing in front of your screen. You should also remember the classes. Okay. Remember, the mid-class consonants are those unaspirated stops. And then all the sonorants are low-class consonants. Okay. Then now I'm gonna let you read some words with the tone marks. Remember, for the low class, you need to plus 1. So ti piao, you need to plus 1 to get ti sheng. Ti piao, right? Ti piao, you get ti san sheng. Okay. So for example, ma, common tone, ma. All right. Or ma. Okay. Ma. For the low class consonants. All right. Let's take a look. All right. So this one, the circle is on the left, right? Like MNOP. So this is more, right? This sara is sara a, correct? So this word is pronounced as ma. What about this word? It's the same, right, for the consonants and vowels, but the difference is you have a tone mark. This is my egg, the first tone mark. Remember, the tone marks look like the Arabic numbers. Like this is my egg. It's like the number 1, right? So it's ti piao. So more is a sonorant, right? It's a nasal. So it's low class. Low class means ti piao plus 1 gives you ti sheng. So this is pronounced as ti sheng, right? Ma. This pronounced together is mama. Mama. Mama is instant noodles in Thai. Right? Is from the brand name actually, Mama. See, this is the word Mama. All right. I love eating this. If you have like instant noodles from other brands, right? Like Shin Ramyeon, for example, we still call it Mama, but we say Korean Mama, Mama Gaoli. All right. Next, what about the word to the right? So let's have a look. This is Nonu, correct? Nonu. This is Sara. This is what piao? This is which tone mark? It looks like the number 2, correct? It looks like the number 2. So it is Ti piao. Ti piao for low class plus 1. 第三声 na 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 na. This is pronounced as na. Okay. Next, the vowels at the bottom, right? We know this one is the u vowel, right? U. It looks like a letter U also, right? U. This consonant is ngo. Ngo. So this word is pronounced as ngu. Ngu. Okay. Next, this is the ngo consonant also. Ngo consonant. And this vowel is very tall. It's taller than usual, right? So this one is ngo. Ngo. And then we have ti piao. For the low class consonants, ti piao gives you 第二声 ngo 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 ngo. Okay, so these 3 words are pronounced as na ngu ngo. Na ngu ngo. Next, we have this one. The vowel is on top, right? We know this one is e, and the vowel consonant here is lolling. So this is pronounced as li, li. The word next to it is lolling and sara a, right? Lolling and sara a. Lila, lila. Okay. Next, this is moma, right? Moma. This is double hockey sticks. Double hockey sticks means air. Right. Right. First tone mark. Ti piao gives you 第二声 me 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 me. Okay. This is same as this. This is moma and sara a. No tone mark means common tone. 普通声. So this is แม่มา 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 means mother come. Okay, 来了. Next, double hockey stick means air, right? Air. This consonant is ยอยักษ์ ยอยักษ์ alright, and air, right? Which 标 is this? Which tone mark is this? This is my egg, right? 第一标 for the low class consonants, 第一标 gives you 第二声. So yeah, 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 yeah. Next, this one is nonu, correct? Nonu. The vowel is the same, the tone mark is the same. So nonu, sara a, and 第二声, right? This is pronounced as nè. Yeah, nè. Okay. Next, same vowel, right? Sara a, and this one is รอเรือ รอเรือ sara a, and ตีเปียว gives you 第二声 re re re. Okay. Next, this is mama, and this vowel is above, so it's sara e, sara e. This one is รอเรือ again, and sara u at the bottom. รอเรือ and sara u. So this is แร่มีรู แร่มีรู. Okay. Next, Next, what do we have? This is taller than usual, correct? Taller than your consonant. That means that is O, correct? O. This is moma. So this is mo. What about this? This is nonu and sara o. So this is no. This is mono. Okay. Next, one hockey stick is the A sound. A, correct? A. And then your ya. So this word is pronounced as ye. This one is the same, right? For the consonant and vowel, but we have, which piao is this? This looks like which number? Does it look like number 1 or does it look like number 2? It looks like number 2 more, right? So this is 第二标. 第二标. Sorry. 第二标 for low class consonant is +1. 第三声, correct? So ye. This is pronounced as ye. Okay. Next, what is this? Where's the consonant? Consonant is always in the middle, right? Ro re, and the vowel is u, correct? U. Which tone mark is this? This is 第二标, correct? 第二标 +1 for low class is 第三声 ru. Okay. Ru. This one is วอแหวน correct? วอแหวน and this is สระอา How about the tone mark here? This is 第一标, correct? 第一标 for low class sonorant. 第一标 gives you 第二声 +1, right? 第二声 so is 哇哇哇 So this is รู้ว่า All right. Let's try reading some words over here. So I'm gonna mix in some mid consonants now. Hope you can remember. So what consonant is this? It has a smooth head, right? That means dodek, like a child, smooth head. Dodek and sarau at the bottom. Do. This one, double hockey stick is air, correct? Air. And this is lolling, lolling, correct? This one is dodek again, and the vowel on top is e. So this is do le di. Do le is to like take care of something or somebody, and di is good, right? So do le di means take care of someone well. All right. Next, this is the consonant, right? This is popla, and then this one is sarao, right? Sarao. This is po. Next, single hockey stick is a, right? A, and the vowel here is totao. So this word is pronounced as te. Next, we have totao, right? Totao again, and sarao again. So this is o, and this, which piao is this? This is 第二标 because it looks like number 2, right? 第二标 for mid class. Remember, this is an unaspirated stop, so it's mid class. Mid class, 第二标 gives you 第二声. There's no +1, correct? 第二标 gives you 第二声. So to. So this whole thing is pronounced as potato. Potato is a band in Thailand, a very famous band. Potato, right? I think they sang the song. Sorry, I don't know. Thơ Young, I think. Am I right? Next, what is this? This is Ko Kai, the very first character, right? The very first consonant of the Thai consonants, Ko Kai, and this vowel is very tall, right? So this is O. no tone marks, correct? So it's just the 普通声 go. This one is the same, except for the tone mark. This is 第二标. So for the mid class, 第二标 gives you 第二声 go go go. So this is go go. Alright, go go. Go go is your cocoa drink, like over here. Your cocoa. Cocoa. See? Go go. This one. Go go. The Cocoa Crunch cereal is also pronounced as cocoa, I think. It's also spelled this way. Cocoa. Next, what is this? This is poplar, correct? Poplar. Poplar. And this is Sara. Sara. This is totao, right? Totao. And the vowel on vowel E, right? E. And 第二标, correct? Totao is mid class, correct? 第二标 gives you 第二声 T T T T T T 第二声. So this is party. Party. Party means party, right? You go to a birthday party. Next, oh, look at this. This is the consonant, this is the vowel, right? The consonant, the vowel is very tall, right? That means that it's Sara O. And this is bo bai mai. Okay. This one is the same vowel O. And now we have a dodec here. Right? And 第二标, right? 第二标. So it's 第二声 do do do. So this is Bodo. Bodo. Next, this is bo bai mai, right? Bo bai mai and Sara A. Bo bai mai, Sara A. This is ba. This is bo bai mai again and Sara E, right? Bo bai mai and Sara E. And 第二标, so it's B B B. B B B. So this is Barbie. Barbie. So this is Bodo Barbie. Okay. Let's look at the last row. This is Yoyak, right? Yoyak. Yoyak, and the vowel is below. So it's U. Remember the Sara U and the letter U looks similar, correct? This is pronounced as U. U. This is the glottal stop or ang, correct? Or ang, followed by Sara A. So this is pronounced as A. This one, this is the A sound, right? The A, and the consonant is or ang again. The glottal stop. So this is A. So this is U R A. U R A. Okay. Next, this is the consonant. This is the vowel, right? This is non-o. This is O. Remember, it's taller than usual, correct? Taller than your usual consonant. So it's Sara O. This is no. This is kokai, correct? This is O also. Ko. So this is no ko. No ko. Lastly, this is lolling. This is Sara O, correct? Lolling, Sara O. And then kokai again, kokai. Sara O and 第二标, correct? 第二标. 第二标 gives you 第二声. So go, sorry. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Logo. Logo means logo, right?